So let's talk about this whole white chocolate putting black people on, paving the way for black people. Let's get it.
Woman, don't mean that your hair do. Pretty nails and shoes. Don't mean you have to trim man way I spend.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mickisha. If it's your first time here, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Also hit the notification bell so you get all the alerts so when your girl uploads new videos. Alright, join the family. On my channel I have a lot of Trinidad Carnival content, Caribbean content, natural hair, beauty, lifestyle vlogs. So join the family. So let's jump right into this video. I'm not trying to make this video long at all, and I'm not trying to do a lot of editing. So let me just get it together, okay? So and I just got off work. I got off at midnight. So today's the 18th, but I'm referring everything to the 17th of September. Got off at midnight. Right now is 1:08 in the morning, and your girl decided to just go ahead and record this video. So minimal editing. All right, just jump right into this video. So white chocolate, as you guys can see from the title, has been, I don't want to say trending, but social media has been coming for that behind all day today. So it all stems from a clip of a panel that he was on where he expressed, I'm going to insert the clip here just so you guys can see it, just in case you haven't seen it.
You said he works close with the Caribbean community.
Right.
What do you do? Like, what is?
I'm a dancer. But the thing is with what I do, it's obviously just a dance move. So whining is part of Caribbean culture and it's been there for years, right? What I did was basically come and brand it in a way like, so not brand whining, but as in like,
He's like, stop there.
it's just like turn it into something that can be a profession, right? So I'm not going to say before me, because there was people before me, but it never got to that.
Runners. I was the first.
Yeah, right. So I think in a way I have been paving a way for black people to come after me, and you...
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, man.
You know when I'm when I'm speaking, it's off-putting. Everyone keeps like looking at each other like.
Oh my God! Okay, it's happening. Everybody stay calm. What's the procedure, everyone?
Yes, all of the above. But can you just finish what you were saying, that you're paving the way for black people to...
No, not paving the way for black people as such. Paving the way for someone to do what I do. I've completely lost my train of thought, to be honest.
If anybody...
So as you guys can see from that clip of the interview, I don't understand what he was really trying to say, convey, or explain, but horrible job at it. First of all, how dare you think that you have paved the way for black people? I don't get it. I'm lost, but whatever. So I follow Bahamanista on Instagram and YouTube. So follow my girl. I'm gonna leave her her name on the screen. Follow Bahamanista. So I was just, going through my stories, and I saw her story, and she referenced Yori. Yeah, her name is Yorietaylor. Hopefully I'm not butchering her name. And she had on her Instagram stories just talking about expressing how she feels and how she views the whole situation with white chocolate. And I was like kind of taken aback at first when she started speaking, because I'm like, damn, sis is really talking to me. Like, I was part of the problem that created this monster. No, I don't follow him. I've never followed him on social media, but I have reposted him dancing. I've had him in my carnival vlogs. If I can find it, I'll insert it. But I'm part of the problem. And then as she started speaking even deeper about colorism and just our own mindset of why we accepted him into our community, I'm just like, damn, that's true. I never looked at it that way. Like, would we have even viewed him the same if he was a black man whining? And he has one whine anyway, so it's just like, based on what she said, I decided, you know what, Keisha, listen to the whole, try to get the full interview of the panel and just listen to everything. I was listening to the panel on the way home, driving, of course, and it was just interesting to me to see this diverse panel discuss racism and 2020 and all the protesting and civil unrest, like worldwide, and also tying that into the church. And it was just interesting. I think you guys should definitely check out the entire interview that the panel did, and I'll leave that down below. I do feel like White Chocolate wasn't really prepared for this panel. There were easy ways for me, looking in at it, for him to express what he does as an influencer, quote unquote, within the Caribbean community, which he couldn't really express. On the panel, there were a lot of people that were basically like advocates for Black Lives Matter, advocates for just human rights, awareness. And then another panelist pointed out that, do you think that you would have been as popular whining if you were a black man? And he admitted, no, like I gained a popularity because I'm white, you know? So just eye-opening to me and to what we allowed into our community. And there are so many freaking influencers throughout the Caribbean. I already have a video on colorism, but just focusing on Trinidad. But colorism is global. So it's almost like, when I seen him dancing, I honestly, subconsciously didn't view it as, oh wow, you know what I mean? A white man dancing to soca, you know? It was more like a comical kind of, like, wow, somebody's embracing our culture, you know what I mean? But at the end of the day, why do we need someone else to embrace our culture? We have enough Caribbean people to embrace our own culture. And I'm not against sharing my culture. I'm not against educating people on my culture. So I needed this little eye-opener as well, because I didn't even think of it on such a deep level as yorietaylor did. But it really got my wheels turning, you know? And also Bahamanista, on her page, she listed a whole bunch of Caribbean influences. Like, we already know, some of them I already follow, but we already know that there's so many Caribbean influences out here. So a lot of bands and promoters, they choose to bring in certain people, you know, to promote their events and to gain following and to, you know, but there's so many black Caribbean influencers that can take those positions and take those spots, even black influencers on a whole. And to me, I see it as a true problem that we just fully embraced White Chocolate the way we did. So I got to do some like reflecting on myself to kind of understand why that was okay for me. And the way that he was answering the questions, it doesn't even seem to me that he even took the time out to fully understand St. Lucia culture, Caribbean culture on a whole. To him, it's, I just whine and people like to see me whine, so that's all I'm doing. You know, basic. So today as well, White Chocolate decided to post a press release on his page. It looked more like a freaking essay, quote unquote apology, but reading his press release, you can tell that he still doesn't get it. And as one of the people on the panel reference, when you have privilege, sometimes you don't understand what you're doing because of that privilege. He still doesn't get it. He still don't get it. I don't think he wants to get it or wants to understand, but that's on him. As I always say, it's up to us what we consume, what we listen to, who we promote. If we're not following him, he's not going to get a lot of these brand deals, influencer, promoters reaching out to him to promote parties. You know, he wouldn't get it. So we're doing it. We're putting him on. We're making him big. You know what I mean? We have the power. But yeah, so I'm gonna leave all those things linked down below. Let's get this conversation started. This video is turning out to be longer than I expected, but let's get this conversation started. If you haven't subscribed as yet, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Also follow me on Instagram, okay? I post on my stories, I post on my Instagram. I'm active on Instagram. Follow your girl on Instagram, all right? It's right across the screen, and it's actually linked in my description bar as well. Follow me on Instagram. Also check out yorietaylor's Instagram. Even though it was her stories, she actually made it into IGTV, so it's still on her page, so check that out as well. Show her some love. And check out the list of Bahamanistas Caribbean influencers on her page as well, and see some people with some true authentic can't say it, Caribbean content. So yeah, I'm sweaty, been wearing this makeup all day, ready to, what time is it? Ready to go ahead and hit the bed. All right, take a shower, get this makeup off. All right, so I'm rambling now. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.
I feel flame. All who did not know me when not done, they gon' know the name. Million people coming down, dancing to a song.